Hi, welcome back to my video study guide of my section reviews going through the Chapter 8 section to establish the memory as far as being able to pass the final exam. This is along with Houston Community College 308 class and course. And we just figured out how to understand volume and how it's connected length times width times height to find the volume of an object. And now we want to be able to find just the surface area. And as you recall, finding the surface area of a flat object was basically the length times the width. And now if we want to basically look at this object here, it has 6 sides, which is the 4 sides here and a top and a bottom. So that gives us our 6 sides. Now we're still working with a 3D object, kind of like volume, but we're not going to be filling it up. We're just finding the surface area, which is these 6 flat sides added together. Now we could find the area of each side and just add them all together, or remember we like to make these equations that help us condense the math down. Now yes, you could take the long way and do it that way and add them all together. But as you'll see that we can relate it to this equation, which is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width plus 2 times the height. And this is where I'm talking about being consistent in your choosing which dimension you want to be or represent your length, your width, or your height. And I just carry all of my you'll see sometimes the textbook kind of maybe switch the height and put the width at the end or which way, because I started with my learning my area here as length times width. I remain consistent by carrying over the representation of my variables here. So I have 2 times the length plus 2 times the width plus 2 times the height. And as you recognize, this will give us our 6 sides. 2, 4, 6. So we're basically adding 6 sides together, but we can take that we're going to be using 2 times the height plus 2 times the width plus 2 times the length to get the surface area of all 6 sides of this object.